Want to have abundance and you want to have more, first of all, you have to be grateful for what you already got. And being grateful for what you got is money, giving money. Also, what you have inside, your talents, your gifts. God gives you things that you're not really talented yet because they're inside, and God gave them to you so that you could use them and develop them and get better and share them with the world. And if you're not doing that, you're going to be sick and you're going to be miserable because it's on your heart. It's like a burning fire and it's burning through. It's making you sick because you're not doing it. You really want to do it, but you're afraid. You let everybody else think for you. But check it out. Let me tell you a little economic equation. You have all been infected with a disease. The disease is a lie. The lie that says, I am not enough. The lie that says I am not worth it, or I am worthless, or I can't do it, or, how am I going to survive? Everybody's got this fear, and it's gotten worse since 9/11. But guess what? I got to tell you, not only do I have the antidote, I have the vaccine, okay? If you want to live in poverty, you have to believe the things that people are telling you, that you're not enough. You're not beautiful enough. They say you're not thin enough. You're not tall enough. You're not white enough. Or maybe you're too white. The things they tell you that you're not enough, that don't believe that. So if you want to live in poverty and you want to be sick and miserable and broke and, lonely and, out of shape and just have all of those bad things that you say you don't want, and you want to feel like you're unworthy the way that everybody else does and the way they tell you, then you know what? Then you go ahead and you think those bad thoughts. You believe what everybody else says.